In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Freshsales. Once you are logged into Freshsales, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you will find the main navigation for the platform. Click Campaigns to open the campaign area, where you can manage and create different types of outreach. When the campaigns page loads, go to the top right corner and click Create Campaigns. This will open a pop-up window that asks you what kind of campaign you want to build. Choose Email. This tells Freshsales you are creating an email campaign, so it can take you into the email design and sending workflow. Next, you will choose how you want to start your email. You can select a pre-built template or create the email from scratch. Templates are useful if you want a clean layout right away and you plan to adjust the content. If you decide to use a template, move your cursor over the template you like, then click Use Template. After that, you will land in the email editor. This is a drag and drop builder, and you will see content elements on the right side. You can drag items like a title, text blocks, paragraphs, images, and buttons into your email layout. Take your time here to make the message easy to scan. Keep spacing consistent, use clear headings, and make sure any button text is specific and action-focused. If you add images, make sure they support the message and do not distract from it. When you are ready to continue, click Save and Next. Freshsales will take you to a preview of your email campaign. Use this preview to review the overall layout and wording before sending. At this stage, update the from details, including the sender name and the sender email address. Use a sender name your recipients will recognize and confirm the sending address is the one you want replies to go to. Next, select your recipients. Choose the correct audience so your campaign reaches the right contacts. Then set your subject by entering a subject line and a pre-header. Keep the subject clear and relevant, and use the pre-header to add helpful context that supports the subject line. Once everything looks correct, click Send Campaign to deliver your email. That covers everything you need to know.